Warning: do not attempt the following experiment without adult supervision. Hi everyone, my name is Shibraj Rakra, and I'm the scientist wannabe. Happy December everyone. I hope you all enjoyed your November, especially your Black Friday shopping day. Today, we'll be making a mini electromagnet. The materials we'll be using today are about 3 feet of copper wire, a small nose plier, a small flat screwdriver, a wood skewer, a wire cutter, tape, a D-sized battery, a rubber band, an iron screw, and some paper clips. Because we'll be using some sharp materials, it is always a great idea to wear safety glasses. Once the electromagnet is complete, this is what it should look like. Step 1 will be to wind the copper wire around the screw, leaving about 8 inches of wire on each side of the screw. Here I now have my screw wrapped around with copper wire. To get rid of the excess copper wire, I'll be using the wire cutter. Here we have our iron nail wrapped with a copper wire with 8 inches excess on each side. The next step will be to beautify the electromagnet so it looks perfect and the battery fits inside perfectly. The next step will be to wrap this rubber band around the screw. This will be done to prevent any heat or electrical shock on your fingers. The electromagnet is just about done, however it is still flimsy. To give the electromagnet some structure, we will be using a wooden skewer. The idea of the wooden skewer is to get it lodged between this and this so we can give it good structure so it doesn't move. First we'll measure the length. We want it to be about 1 inch on each side extra. To cut the wooden skewer, we'll be using the wire cutter. We now have our perfect size skewer. Using the wire cutter, we will slit a little bit on each side of the skewer. Using the small flat screwdriver, we'll be wedging through the skewer to make a little space. Now we will simply lodge the wedged area into the wire. We now have our fully completed electromagnet. Now all that is left to do is to test it. When the battery is connected to the electromagnet body, the battery will get warm, so always keep the battery detached when not using the electromagnet. The first thing we'll be doing is putting the battery into its place. Be sure not to touch any of the wires as they get very hot. Now it's time to test. The electromagnet works. Now if I detach any side, plus or minus, the paperclip should fall. That's all for this month. I hope you all enjoyed. See you next year for my India special vlog.